Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we explore. Before these apples end up here, they need to get picked. Today we're diving into the heart of fall as we explore some lovely apple picking spots in Northern Virginia, just outside Washington, D.C. Then we'll return home to bake a pie with the fruits of our labor. So grab your baskets and let's go! We're here at Stribling Orchard, a beautiful and popular spot for apple picking in the area. The Stribling family have raised fruit here since 1819. Their orchard is known for its delicious varieties and stunning views. It's a beautiful drive to the west, about an hour and 20 minutes from the heart of DC. After a quick look around the Harvest House area, where there is music on the weekends and lovely produce and products for sale, we grabbed a picker they offered and headed for the hills. This orchard offers a variety of apples, everything from sweet Fuji to tart Granny Smith, with plenty of specialty apples as they ripen during the season. Look at these gorgeous apples. The yellow delicious apples were ripe for our visit. The picker was a huge help. After a little practice, remember, the best apples are usually at the top, so don't be afraid to stretch a little. A gentle breeze and clear sunny day made the orchard the perfect peaceful place to be today. Make sure to wear comfortable shoes because you'll be doing lots of walking through the peaceful orchard. And we're headed back to the Harvest House to wrap up. Lovely fall produce, farm-raised beef, all sorts of products from their produce. Delicious baked goods. And cider to wash it all down. After a lovely visit to Stribling's, we're heading to another favorite orchard off the same exit in Markham, Virginia. Hartland Orchard. Sadly, we just missed the pick-your-own hours, but we had a great time at the country market getting some treats and enjoying the view and fall festivities. They had produce, fun treats, and cute activities for the kids. The apple cider donuts were some of the very best we'd had. Caramel apple too was amazing. Small kids could have all kinds of fun with the activities they've provided. Goodbye to Hartland Orchard and back to put those apples to good use. Apple picking is such a fun and rewarding fall activity. If you're in the Northern Virginia or near DC, I highly recommend visiting Stribling Orchard and Hartland Orchard. They're perfect ways to enjoy the season. Thanks for joining me on this apple picking adventure. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about your favorite apple variety. See you next time.